Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the latest tools reshaping the digital marketing landscape. Today, we're tackling a crucial aspect of online success, SEO. Often seen as an expensive and complex field, SEO is vital for digital visibility. But what if I told you there's a new way to approach SEO without breaking the bank? Enter SEO Stuff, a revolutionary keyword research tool designed to transform your SEO strategy. For years, SEO professionals and enthusiasts have faced a common dilemma: the high cost of quality tools. Most leading SEO tools come with hefty subscription fees, charging upwards of $100 a month. This recurring cost can be a significant burden, especially for small businesses, freelancers, and those just starting their SEO journey. The question arises, is there a more cost-effective solution? That's where SEO Stuff steps in, a game changer in the world of SEO. This innovative tool breaks away from the traditional subscription model, offering a pay-as-you-go system. With SEO Stuff, you only pay for what you use, giving you full control over your SEO budget. No more fixed monthly fees, just top up your credits as needed, directly within the app. The advantages of SEO Stuff are clear. It offers flexibility and scalability, catering to various users from small business owners to digital marketers handling multiple projects. This credit-based system doesn't just save you money, it also empowers you to allocate resources strategically, focusing on the SEO features that matter most to your project. Accuracy is key in SEO, and SEO Stuff doesn't compromise on data quality. Utilizing industry-leading data providers, including Google's own APIs, SEO Stuff ensures the highest level of accuracy in its reports. These sources scan billions of web pages and are regularly updated, providing you with comprehensive and current SEO data. SEO Stuff is packed with features essential for modern SEO. From uncovering new keyword ideas to understanding keyword difficulty, spying on competitors, analyzing search volume trends, estimating monthly traffic, and more, SEO Stuff equips you with key SEO metrics necessary for informed decision-making. Each feature is designed to enhance your SEO efforts and drive tangible results. Let's take a closer look at how SEO Stuff works. We have a demo video created by Yossi Segev, the mind behind SEO Stuff. Watch how effortlessly you can navigate through the tool, making informed decisions for your SEO strategy.
Hey everyone, Yossi here. I just want to share with you a quick video about a new tool for SEO Stuff. So if you go into the SEO Stuff website, you'll see that now you can choose to search by URL. So this is great if you are building something and you're not sure what kind of keywords you want to look for or where even to start, but you do know who are your competition. So what you can do is you can enter the competition URL, and SEO Stuff will now extract very useful information about the keywords the competition is using. So let's have a quick demo. Let's say you're building some kind of project management tool. So you can go to search by URL, and maybe you want to look on what Monday is doing. And I'm going to click search. And now SEO Stuff is pulling all the data from monday.com, whatever you can find, and the report will be ready in a second. Here is the report. So what do we have here? First of all, SEO Stuff managed to pull 150 organic keywords and 11 paid keywords. These are keywords that monday.com is paying for on the United States. It's running ads on, so that's an interesting information. Let's see what we have here. So here are the ads keywords. We can see what kind of keyword they are running, of course the difficulty, the search intent, estimated CPC, search volume, search trend, and you can see the relevant page that is running the ad for that keyword. So this, I think, it's the main page, the homepage of monday.com. Now you'll see there are a few new columns in this specific report. We got the ETV, which is the estimated monthly traffic volume for that keyword, and it is based on the search volume and where is monday.com is ranking for that keyword. So for ads, for example, Obviously, it's an ad, the ranking doesn't really matter, also the ETV. But if we go to the organic keywords, we can see, for example, that Monday.com, this specific URL, so it's some kind of landing page that they created, has an estimated traffic volume of 74,000 monthly visitors, because they are ranking number 1 on the keyword Mondays, which is, people are searching for it a lot. I'm not sure how, what is the quality of the keyword, because Monday is like a very generic thing, but here it is. What is Monday? Monday application, they are ranking 1 on number 1, and we can see the page, and we can also see the top organic pages. So top organic pages are pages that SEO Stuff managed to understand. They are ranking organically very high. So we got a page here that is Product Manager Software by Monday.com, and we can see they have a whopping 102,000 monthly visitors. Now, if we want to, of course, we can go and check in the page and what they're doing there. And we can also filter the table by the related keywords that contribute to this page being ranked so high. So I can click on that, and now I can see that Monday.com is actually ranking number 1 on Product Management Monday and Product Management Monday.com, which a lot of people are searching for. Let's go for another example. What is RSCI model? I have no idea, but they are ranking very high on it. And if I go to the related keywords, I can see that this is obviously something, and a lot of people are searching for it. And Monday.com is ranking pretty good for almost all those keywords. So that makes this specific page on Monday.com receive a lot of estimated monthly traffic volume. So, by the way, if I want to go back to the whole keywords list, I can just go clear the filter, and I'm back in the list. So you can see the top organic pages. You can see all the different keywords they are ranking for, their current rank, the estimated traffic volume, where they are running the ads, on what they are running ads. A lot of useful information to kickstart your SEO journey for your own product. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.